Hello, welcome back. I'm done. I moved. I'm officially in my new apartment. I started setting up and it's so cute. I have to show you. Of course, I have a lot of stuff that's just like, you know, all over the place. And I had pizzas for the people helping me out. And I also had beer for my friends helping me out during my move. Did I tell you? I had friends helping me out during my move. That was so nice. Thank you guys. You know who you are. But yeah, so everything is in. I have a lot of cleaning to do and organizing and stuff. I'm gonna need to buy some new furniture. Nani is still kind of trying to understand what's going on. Yeah, I'm really happy. Look at how nice the kitchen is now. Wait, it's kind of blurry. I installed those. I'm very proud of my shelves. I think today I'm gonna try and organize whatever I can organize. At least put things in the area where they belong. Maybe figure out what pieces of furniture I need, purchase those. Pretty exciting. Huh, Nani? Pretty exciting. I was about to do something very satisfying without you. And now I know some of you might be thinking, oh, but Emily, what about like when you take a shower and stuff? It's fine because I'm going to replace it with like this really nice rainbowy effect one. It's going to be so cute and it's going to give like the most pleasant light in the bathroom. Also, did I show you I installed this little shelf here? So cute. It has like my lip balm and my toothbrush and it's nice and hidden. And then this still opens perfectly. See? No problem. Very exciting. So I received the window film, so that's what I'm doing today. I just had to wash the window first. Okay, I never tried installing this specific type of film. Hopefully this works. I don't know how much water I'm supposed to put. Is that enough? Is that too much? Well, I guess we'll see. There you go. Gonna cut off the excess. I might not be entirely satisfied with the bottom part of the window, but in the meantime, I think I'll just leave it as it is, so I'll put this away.
12 seconds later.
I already couldn't handle it anymore. I was like, it's crooked, I know it's crooked, I can only think about that. I added washi tape from afar. Does it look okay? I think it looks better this way. And it's flowers, and it's nice and feminine. This is a girl's apartment, and I want it to be girly, I guess. I don't know what am I saying? See? Like, that's cute, right? You know what? I decide it's my apartment and I like it. Cute little pink vase and another cute little pink chandelier and this little pink sponge. All these pink things. You know what? Pink. I like pink. It looks good. Oh, this one too. Boop. There you go. Oh, you can't tell. Wait. Nope. See? All pink. Works. It works. Here's a clip to show you what happens when light goes through the film in the window. It's a beautiful effect. I started using these pieces of wood that used to be on the wall behind me and I nailed them in and now I'm just cutting the excess off with this saw. Because you know what? I don't have a jigsaw or anything like that and I'm just using what I have. One of my neighbors has a an electric sanding machine thing, so I'm gonna use that just to finish the edges and make it nice and smoother, and then I'm gonna varnish it.
1 week later.
So it's been a week since my move and I'm currently cutting the sides of that piece of furniture right there. The thing is, I'm cutting it by hand and I'm so tired. My hand hurts. I need to take a break every like 30 seconds. I've got 3 pieces cut, they're down here. I've still got 3 pieces to go. All that was left to do was to tint the sides to match the rest of the wood on this specific piece of furniture. Alright, so I've got this bowl and I want to drill a hole into it, and I saw online I could use a diamond hole saw to drill a hole into this. I'm gonna do it in the sink. Yeah, let's just hope that it all works out according to plan. Knock on wood. Wood, knock on wood. I want to drill my hole in the middle and I've got to go at an angle first. That was scary. I know, got a hole. I want to repot this baby that's getting kind of tall into here. I think it's going to look cute, right? It looks like it's meant to be together. And also, I think I have some little wooden poles to keep it straight. I've got my handy dandy saw that I've used for everything. Into the pot. There you go. It's gonna be a happy plant now. Oh, look at this! Aw, it's so cute. I don't even think I need to tie it. I think it naturally just leans perfectly on my little dowel. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. I made a teeny tiny mistake. This part right here actually belonged in the bottom right there, and that one belongs in the top one. Should I undo the whole thing and redo it? I think I'm gonna eat first. My microwave is running. I'm hungry. Time to eat. I inherited this beautiful electric recliner from my grandmother. I love the color, but it's a little dirty. It's mostly the armrests, and there's this one spot right here that's kind of dirty, but everything else seems kind of like in really great shape. I'm very lucky. I have a neighbor who had a cleaning machine to lend me, so I'm just gonna use this on this. Then after that, I'm kind of gonna be done. I can show you around. And now I know you want to see what the water looked like when it came out of that thing. So voila. New day, new girl, new haircut. And I'm finally ready to give you a tour. We're in the entry. I sanded down the inside of the door so that it would close properly. Same thing with the bathroom door. See, it's not finished, but now it closes, which is all you could expect for a bathroom door, right? That it closes and that you have intimacy to do whatever you want to do in a bathroom. Right next to the entry, I have this new mirror from the Value Village. I love it. It's nice and it's big. I initially thought, oh, maybe I could paint it because I'm always thinking of how I could change things, but I don't think I want to change this. I like it. I like it like this. And then I have this piece of furniture right here. My friends helped me assemble this. I bought it on Wayfair for $100 and something. This is where my shoes are going to be. But the thing is, I don't like the shoe rack I have right now. It's gonna be a different shoe rack. I want to build it myself. I want to make it out of just some normal pine wood, a nice light airy color that is already throughout the apartment, so it's just gonna go with everything. This little white cube of fabric is my cat's litter box under there, and on top it's a bench. So it's perfect because whenever I need to take off or put on shoes, I can just sit there, and she also has her own personal space to do her own little business, and it's not in my face and it's not in my guest's face whenever they come in or come out because it's hidden underneath the fabric. And then I have this piece of furniture that kind of separates the entry from the rest of the apartment. I have a bunch of stuff right here that's hidden, kind of, not really, only because it's cycling or things I'm supposed to get rid of, donate, and I just haven't gotten around to it yet. That's why it's all there. The bathroom is one of the rooms that I think is going to be as close as I can call it. The new hardware has this brass finish, which is really cute in my opinion. I just feel like it brings everything together. I also really love the multicolored effect that's happening in the bathroom because of the effect of the window. I just feel like it goes great with the curtain that I had already, which is this nice colorful curtain, and I have plants that are healthy and growing, so that's also a lot of fun. I have one of my art pieces that I copied for an art class. Anyway, so that was it for the bathroom. Oh, I'm so happy about the handles of every single door. Like, look at this handle. It's beautiful brass and someone painted over that. Can you believe it? There is a space in my building where I can do my laundry. The thing is, now that I'm on the top floor, I no longer want to go all the way down to the bottom floor to do my laundry. So I bought myself a portable, I guess you could call it. It's like a miniature washing machine on Facebook Market, and I love it. It's the best thing I could have bought. I'm so happy about it. And I also don't need to dry my clothes with a drying machine. I just use this right here. And I have a fan right behind there, so I just turn on the fan and it dries the clothes really fast. The counter needs to be switched. It's gonna be a counter that we can all sit at and eat at, so it's not just gonna be a counter to prep your food, it's also gonna be like the kitchen table. Right next to the counter is this little piece of furniture that you guys have seen already. Added the pieces of wood on the sides, and this right here, the shelf, I guess, is nice and finished, and it's varnished and it's sanded. Then you can see here this little piece of furniture that I cut so that it would be nice and it wouldn't come out too much, so it's now the perfect size. It's still kind of wobbly. I should probably fix that. Probably won't, let's be honest. And then I'm still incredibly happy about my shelves. I cannot shut up about them. I'm especially happy about this one right here because I bought these little spice containers and they fit perfectly. And then I have my salt and my pepper, and I don't know, I just think it's so cute. And now I have plants. My neighbor gave me this little donkey's tail, and I think it's the cutest little thing. Look at that. Oh, and she's already doing so well. It's been 2 days. I also have a dishwasher, which I did not have before, and it's changing my life. Oh my goodness. But yeah, and then this is Nanny's side of the window. So there's her food usually, and there's her little bowl of water back there. And she loves to just hang out and look at the birds outside. Nanny's being so cute. Just looking out the window. I was planning on refinishing these chairs and painting them another color, but honestly the thing is I'm not planning on keeping them anymore, especially since I'm gonna need stools for the counter. This sofa chair bed thing, I plan on switching it out for a love seat that transforms into a bed. I just haven't found the one yet. It's gonna probably take me a couple weeks, couple months. I'm not in a hurry, but that is the plan. My grandma's chair is beautiful and so comfortable and so cozy. I love it right there. And we're now in the bedroom. So I finally hung out this mirror so you can say hello to yourself. Hello. The bed, okay, wait, let's just turn you around. Yes, so the wardrobe here is perfect. It's a great size. It's full to the brim of clothes. Of course, I'm gonna have to go through it. In the meantime, it is what it is. This will soon go into the wardrobe as soon as I'm done sorting through whatever I keep or whatever I'm not keeping. I have another little plant right there. It adds a nice pop of greenery in here, and the bed fits perfectly right here in the window. I will say though, I don't like the bed frame, and I also don't think that the bed skirt that I made goes great with the bed sheets that I purchased. And right here is the disaster of my desk. But yeah, so it's all the stuff that I have to do, the stuff I'm working on, so it just goes on the desk, and then at some point it gets hidden away if I'm done with it, mostly under here right there. And this is the IKEA piece of furniture I purchased. I still need to organize it. All I did was put everything in it as fast as possible, and then underneath here I still need to organize all of that so it goes under. Just ignore that little spot, it does not exist. And then we have here my mannequin. It just watches over me while I sleep. It's not creepy or anything. But yeah, that's basically it. I can't put it into words. It's such a nice apartment. It's exactly what I was hoping for when I moved in here, which is weird to say because that was 3 years ago. But yeah, it's essentially what I wanted. I wanted this vibe in my house, in my apartment, in my home. The floors are still not clean, okay? There's like little white specks of paint from the previous owners of the apartment. I say owners, renters of the apartment. It's not me, okay? It's not me. It's everyone else. Maybe it's a little bit me, but also I cleaned, so I'm part of the problem, but I'm also the solution. Comment down below if there's anything you think I should switch out, turn around, anything like that. We've come to the part of the video where I never know how to end, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour and the process of transferring it from what it used to be to what it is now. And if you did, please leave me a comment, encourage me however you can. It's always so awkward to ask for help with the algorithm. I think I'm just gonna end it here. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.